What hampers the execution? What are the roadblocks to actually transform yourself and make progress? What's let's say the major topic for you to, let's say, double click on in the coming 20 to 30 minutes?
Yeah, so I think the reality is that, if you think about, and I'll focus more here on the wealth management and private banking segment, typically, looking after clients investing more than £500,000, for example. If you look at that as an industry, what we have is a business which has historically not been heavily reliant on technology. Technology has always been part of the answer, but it's now much more important to private banks and wealth managers to be able to harness technology in the right way in order to gain some form of competitive advantage. We have to recognize that we're in a world that's highly volatile. We're in a world where there's lots of new competitors coming into the market. You've also got to accept that there's downward pressure on margins, and costs. Costs are generally increasing. So organizations that perhaps historically were more focused in on delivering to their clients through a human level now have to focus in on leveraging technology, not just for things like digital portals and things like that, but much more around making the business more efficient, to keep up with the regulatory change, regulatory demands, and also recognize that our client base of tomorrow is perhaps a little bit different to today.